Now, the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya is back in news again. This time, the issue has been raised by Subramanian Swamy, the BJP leader, who's written a letter to the Prime Minister, which was published in RSS Mouthpiece Organizer. Well, Swamy has urged the Prime Minister to fulfill the party's commitment to electorate by initiating steps to rebuild the Ram Temple at Ayodhya.
BJP leader Subramanian Swamy has created another fresh controversy. This time, Swamy has urged the Prime Minister to initiate steps to rebuild the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya by 2016. Swamy's letter, published by RSS Mouthpiece Organizer, also gives a detailed roadmap. Swamy has suggested appointment of a former Chief Justice like S.H. Kapadia as the executor. The executor, he says, should liaise with a designated minister like General V.K. Singh. The former minister also suggests calling a meeting of Islamic clerics from India and abroad to seek an endorsement. And if it is not forthcoming, then he suggests the government should move an enabling bill in the parliament and get it passed. He wants the government to offer an alternative site for a mosque to be built at public expense across the Saryu River. Swamy's push for the Ram Temple has been criticized by opposition parties.
जो वायदे देश की जनता के सामने इन्होंने किए हैं, इसमें इन्हें कभी सफल नहीं होना है। जिस सपने की दुनिया में उतरकर, जो स्वप्न लोग बनाकर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस देश की जनता को सपने दिखाए हैं, वो कभी पूरे नहीं हो सकते। इसलिए अंत में ये हिंदुओं की आंख में धूल झोंकने का काम करेंगे।
With the Ram Temple being a part of the BJP's manifesto and with Swamy's letter being published in the RSS Mouthpiece, the question is, will Prime Minister Narendra Modi be forced to oblige? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.